How to log in into Threads with Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's tutorial I will guide you how you can log in into Threads using your Instagram account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, download the Threads application from the Google Play Store or App Store if you're on your iOS device. Once you have installed the application, open up the Threads application. After you open it up, if you are already logged in into Instagram on your device, Threads will automatically detect it and you will find your Instagram account on this interface. From here, all you have to do is tap on your Instagram profile name to continue. But if you're not logged in, there is an option as use different account. Tap on it and then you have to provide your Instagram login credential to log in into your Threads account. So here I will just continue with my Instagram account. And once you tap on your profile name, if prompted, you have to grant the permission. Threads will ask you to provide your Instagram profile information. So allow the permission, then tap on continue or allow. After that, you can set up your profile if you are first time logging into Threads. If not, you can start using Threads application. And that's it. That's how you log in into Threads using your Instagram account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.